Welcome to the X Laser Studio. Today we're talking about Quickshow XL, the new laser control software from X Laser. Now, Quickshow XL is based upon the laser software that many people already use called Quickshow from Pangolin. We've taken their really well-developed system that includes a great piece of software and a great piece of hardware and expanded it into something that is much larger and has a whole lot more tools for you to use to create great custom content. So I want to show you what you're actually getting. This is the Quickshow XL box. This is the normal Quickshow system. You have a quick start guide. You have the FB3QS hardware. What this does is you take your USB from your computer, just as you would see right here. You take your USB from your computer, stick it in this side, your DB25 comes out that side, goes to your laser, and then you install the Quickshow XL software that comes right here in this clamshell, and you have a little USB cable to hook up your DAC that I just showed you a moment ago. Now, what you get with the Quickshow software, and you can actually download a free copy to sort of try it out for yourself, is you get all the great tools of Quickshow. You get your quick text, where you can just type in custom text and the laser will spit it out. You get quick trace, where you can take a corporate logo or something like that, scan it in as line art, and the laser will spit it out. You get quick timeline, where you can build your own timelines and make your own customized laser shows synced up to music. And you get over 2,000 cues of animations, all sorts of topical stuff, holidays, animals, people dancing, as well as a great deal of aerial effects, sheets, liquid skies, tunnels, cones, all sorts of cool stuff. In the XL side, we've actually added a whole bunch more. First of all, we've added a video training series, actually shot right here, that walks you through all the different elements of the software and shows you how to use everything to get you up and running quickly. Second of all, we've added a whole new workspace. I just want to show you a couple of the things that we have right here. First of all, we've added a whole bunch of sort of normal fun aerial laser cues, right? Stuff that you can use in a whole bunch of different situations. Just fun stuff that you can work with. We've added an entire workspace full of hot beam effects that you can use. Hot beams are best when you're trying to get really bright aerials because they really focus on a beam coming out of your laser projector. Lots and lots of stuff that you can do with it, and it's going to give you the most brightness for your buck. They're not as fluid, but they give you a lot of brightness in each one of those laser points. And a whole page full of abstracts. Now, most of these abstracts probably look like spaghetti, but while going out through the air, they create these really dynamic and interesting shapes. And of course, all of these cues can be affected from the live control panel. So if you like what you see here and you want to recolor it, you can very quickly just flip it over to green, for example, or to blue, or to red, or really whatever you want. All the live control tools work perfectly well with all of these new pieces of content that we made for you. You can morph them, you can flip them, you can zoom them, you can scroll them, you can use the effects tab to add your own effects to it. And then on top of all that, we've also given you over 100 timelines that are what one might refer to as bumpers and stingers. So what you do here is you go to Menu, and File, and Open Show. And here you can actually see a full listing of all the bumpers and stingers that we've given you, a whole bunch of different variations. Think of these like building blocks. They're sort of building blocks of light. And each one has its own set of parameters. You can bring it into a timeline, and they open right here in the timeline. You can add other cues to it, you can edit them, you can do whatever you want to them. But the goal is that they give you the tools to create really dynamic content with today's dance music. So when you have, for instance, on the EDM scene, you got like a wah, or you got like a zoom or something like that, you've got a whole bunch of effects already built in here that do a zoom on a 4 count out, or they'll do a rotating line, or whatever the case may be. There's so much that you can do with this. It's a really great system, and it really helps you get the most out of your X Laser. The only thing that you need, other than the Quickshow package, which comes with both the Quickshow XL software, the Pangolin hardware, the Quick Start Guide, all that stuff, the only other thing that you're going to need is an ILDA cable that you can get from your X Laser dealer. They're available in whatever length you want, up to about 100 feet, and then you can join multiple hundreds together if you need to. That's what's going to run from your Pangolin hardware, the DAC, into the back of the laser and allow the laser to communicate with the computer. That's it, super simple, set it up, and you get all these great setup videos that show you exactly how to use all the different aspects of the software. It's Quickshow XL, it's available right now from your favorite X Laser dealer. Hope you enjoy it.